Hey y'all, I am back with another video, and today I am going to teach you when you should be removing closed accounts from your credit report and how you can do it. Please make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to teach you how you can remove accounts in just 7 days with online disputes only. So make sure you stay to the end to get the details for that. So first and foremost, I want to explain to you guys how you're able to review your credit report to know which accounts you need to be removing off if they have that closed status. So I wanted to explain to you guys how you are able to remove these accounts from your credit report. So we've already determined that they are closed and they have a collection or charge-off status. Legally, by law, based on the Fair Credit Report Act, you are able to remove any account from your credit report that is not reporting accurate account information. It does not matter who did it. Legally, if Capital One contacted Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax and gave them all the same account details, that should not differ on your credit report. So for example, TransUnion cannot say that your account opened on August the 15th, but Equifax is saying it opened on August the 1st. No account can be open on two different dates. So with that being said, you can dispute that account and say the date open is incorrect. There are multiple inaccuracies that you can find on your credit report and actually use that as your dispute reason to get these accounts removed. So you can create a dispute letter, of course, for all of these accounts and go ahead and send that in and wait your full 30 days to get them removed using the dispute reason like I said. Or you can use my 7-day deletion method to go ahead and start the process of getting these accounts off. You get a faster response time, and I'll explain more about that. Every account that is closed is not negative on your credit report. If you're pulling up your credit report, so you can pull this up on Experian, Credit Karma, but I personally prefer a 3-bureau report where it's going to give you all 3 credit bureaus on one website and a full breakdown of each of you guys' accounts. If you want to get a free 3-bureau credit report, I'm going to link it above and in the description for you guys because you can get a 7-day free trial for just $1. So you're pulling up your credit report and you're looking at your payment or account status. Either you're going to see closed, paid. Remember, we leave our closed paid accounts alone. Those are good standings. That is going to tell people that, hey, this person pays off their debts and they don't owe anybody. So we want to leave those on our credit report. Now, if we are to see a status that says collection or charge off, and I'll make sure that I put an example of the status and what it'll look like so you guys know what to look for on the screen. If you see that collection or charge off status, this is your sign. Hey, these are accounts you need to remove from your credit report. This account is holding back your credit score. It's stopping you from getting approved. It's the reason you are being denied when you're applying for different credit or financing. And the way I want you guys to look at this is if your aunt comes to you and asks you to borrow some money, but you already know that she owes your cousin because you saw it, your cousin told you about it. Are you going to be likely to lend your aunt this money? The answer is most likely no. So that is all your credit report does. When companies are pulling your credit report, they look to see if you owe another person. And if you owe them, 9 times out of 10, you're going to owe us. So that is why you're being denied when you're applying for any type of financing. So with the credit repair process, what I am teaching you guys how to do right now is pull up your credit report. You're looking at your accounts that says closed and has a collection or charge off status because these are the accounts you're going to start the process of disputing on. So when your credit report is pulled, they no longer see that account on your credit and they are not going to hold it against you to get new financing. So that's the main thing I want you to know. If it says collection or charge off, dispute it. If it says repossession, dispute it. If it says bankruptcy, dispute it. These are the main 4 statuses that you need to dispute. As a exception bonus, if for some reason you have an account that is closed and paid, but it has a bunch of late payments on it, maybe 5 or 10, that is up to your discretion on if you want to completely remove that account. You do potentially lose that credit history, but if the late payments are over 24 months, it won't count against you super bad anymore. So on the late payments on closed and paid accounts, that's up to your discretion. Do you want to save the history or completely remove it so you don't have those late payments? And that's the only exception in this situation, because I know you guys may ask me about that. So I wanted to explain, what to do about late payments. Now that we've gotten that out the way, we have all our closed accounts that says collection or charge off. We're going to start our disputing process because it takes 7 years from the date closed for this to fall off your credit report. From the date closed. Stop giving it 7 years. Lock in. Let's do credit repair. You can literally fix your credit and see results within the first 30 days. To completely clean it up, it can roughly take about 3 to 6 months. But 3 to 6 months compared to 7 years is super fast. So I'm going to explain to you guys how you can do this. You're going to start by creating your disputes for these accounts. And now we're going to go into the 7-day deletion process. I know you guys want fast results. I know you want your credit fixed tomorrow. So I am going to give you another option, which is called the 7-day deletion method. First and foremost, this does work on all 3 credit bureaus to remove the account from all 3. Secondly, you will only have to do online disputes for this disputing process. It does not require you to mail out anything. And thirdly, this is for permanent deletions. This is not anything temporary. I don't give out temporary results because I want you to have long-term good credit. So what you can do is you can actually file a complaint against the credit bureaus. I know that might sound a little weird, but basically this is what it is. There's a company called the CFPB, which I'll link and show you guys above, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. All this company does is regulate the credit bureaus. So if they're not treating you right with removing your accounts, you can tell on them to the CFPB so that they can make them take it off within 7 to 10 days usually. So I want to explain to you guys which accounts this works for the best. Any account that is in collection. So when you pull up your credit report and you're looking at the section that is labeled collections on your credit report, whatever accounts are under that section, those are the easiest to remove in general. And this is going to be the quickest response where you can get that off in 7 days. Now, if you have an account that says it is a charge off, that is going to be your auto loans, credit card debt, personal loans, anything of that nature, something you were financed on. If it is a charge off, it will take 7 up to the 30 days to remove because with the charge off accounts, they are allowed more time. But you still can take that one off in 7 days as well. It's just up to the 30. So I just want to be upfront with you guys about time frame. This 7-day deletion method is actually available for you guys in my 7-day deletion kit that I created, and I'll link it in the description. If you want the link to it, you can also comment 7-day and I'll be sure to send you the link to get it. But I give you a full play-by-play and I'll show on the screen how it is set up. So you go on to CFPB and you make your complaint. So in the ebook, I actually show you what options to put in the complaint because they're going to ask you some questions. I show you each reason to put on those questions, and then they're going to have a short little paragraph section that asks you what happened, and I'll tell you exactly what to put in there. You put it in. As soon as you make your account, as soon as you log in, you see all your complaints, so you can just check on them within the next 7 to 10 days. You'll also get an email update when they have given you an update on it being processed and completed. So everything you need is all on this website. You do not have to mail in any letters. If you want to dispute directly with the credit bureaus for your charge-offs, all you have to do is upload your letter to the credit bureaus on the CFPB instead of mailing it in. So I'm giving you an interactive way to remove accounts in 7 days, cut out the mailing, and get faster results. So I hope you guys want to get the 7-day deletions kit. It's going to help you with your credit repair process. As a whole, you need to dispute these accounts. I would love for you to get started with disputing instead of waiting that 7 years for it to fall off. So let's start the process with getting that done. If you guys have any questions or concerns for me, please let me know in the comments. If you have questions about accounts, you're not sure if you should dispute or how to dispute them, tell me all your stories in the comments. I promise you guys I will review them and I will comment back to you. And if you made it to the end of this video, let me know you made it in the comment section. Lastly, before you go, I don't want to not extend my assistance to you. So I actually host a live class every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM. So let's say, hey, I don't want to use an ebook. I need Rose to help me directly because I don't want to mess up. This is pretty much all the class is. We will get live. We will go live on Zoom one-on-one. I'll pull up your credit report with you and I'll go over each account with you. I'll tell you what you need to dispute, how to put it on your dispute letters. I'll show you how to do the 7-day method directly in the class. And this way you get my one-on-one help. I do a live class and it is recorded. And in between class, I also have a group chat that I've made to where we can keep in contact. And literally on a daily, weekly basis, there are other students in the class getting deletions. They're posting them. They're saying, hey, I just did this. I'll actually post some results up on the screen that were recently this week, so y'all know it's no cap. So yeah, join the disputing class. I would love to help you and answer your guys' questions there. I don't have anything else that comes to mind at the moment, so thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with a friend that you might be interested. Until next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.